Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the only practical route. Add an Android TV device to your Samsung set. Plug the Chromecast with Google TV or an Android TV box into an HDMI port. The TV remains Tizen, so you can't install Play Store directly. Once done, connect the device to Wi-Fi and have your Google account credentials handy. This is faster and safer than firmware hacks, and it gives you full Play Store access while keeping your Samsung system intact. Now you configure the Android TV device step by step. You'll choose language, connect to Wi-Fi, and sign in with your Google account. This is how the Play Store authenticates you. Make sure to install system updates first, because updates often enable the Play Store and app compatibility. Once updated, open the Play Store app on the Android device, search and install apps. You'll discover why this route works. The Android device provides the Play ecosystem, while the Samsung display simply shows it. Finish by customizing the launcher and optionally enabling HDMI CEC so your Samsung remote controls the Android device. If you encounter sign-in problems, double-check your Google password and two-factor prompts. Remove and re-add the account if needed. If apps crash or show incompatibility, make sure the Android device firmware is fully updated, clear Play Store cache, or sideload only compatible APKs as a last resort. This method preserves your TV and gives you reliable play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.